and Assalamu alaikum everyone. In the name of Allah, the most beneficent and the most merciful. Welcome back to my YouTube channel viewers. How are you all, my YouTube community and my sweet friends? I hope my all the lovely viewers. So Allah bless you all and always be happy friends. First of all, thank you so much viewer for watching my all the previous videos and supporting me. I am very happy to see this and I am very thankful to you for your this favor. Secondly, you can see friends, in this video we are providing you most amazing and most trending beach dresses. It's very cool designs and breathable dresses. So please don't skip the video, watch the video start to end because all of these designs are so stunning, so unique and very useful and very helpful especially for crochet lovers. I hope you all love this beautiful collection. So you will share this video with your family and sweet friends who want these type of most attractive and most trending designs of handmade crochet dresses. You know guys, different people have different choices and they love different type of colors and different type of design. So in this video you will see different colors, different decent and unique design of handmade crochet piece dresses. So pick your favorite one and must make this beautiful design for yourself. It's very comfortable and breathable dresses. I am share with you the some benefits of crochet dresses, including comfort. Crochet dresses are often made with soft, breathable yarn and making them incredible comfort to wear. Flexibility. Crochet fabric is flexible and stretchy, allowing for a full range of motion. Versatility. Crochet dresses can be dressed up and down and are suitable for various occasions, from casual to formal events. Unique and handmade. Each crochet dress is handmade, making it a one-of-a-kind piece with a personal touch. Sustainable. Crochet dresses can be made with eco-friendly yarn, reducing waste and supporting sustainable fashion. Customizable. Crochet dresses can be easily customized to fit individual body types and style preference. Timeless. Crochet dresses can be treasured for years as they often become family heirlooms and or passed down pieces. Relaxing to make. Crocheting is a dress can be a claiming and therapeutic creativity and activity, providing a creative outlet. Cost-effective crochet dresses can be made with affordable yarn, making them a budget-friendly fashion option. Empowering. Creating your own crochet dress can be a fulfilling experience, giving you a sense of pride in your handmade garment. Weaver overall crochet dresses offer a combination. I hope you all are understand with crochet benefits and now I am share with you the main question in all people's mind. What is the crochet? Crochet, a wonderful hobby that combines creativity, relaxation and handiness. Crochet is a popular needlework technique that involves using a hook and yarn to create fabric. It's used to make a wide range of items from clothing and accessories to home decor and toys. So viewer, if you are interested in learning how to crochet, I can provide you with some basic instructions and resources to get you started. Or if you are already an experienced crocheter, I would be happy to help you with patterns and tips and inspiration for your next project. What would you like to know about crochet? Share with us your experience. Crochet is a popular needlework technique that involves using a hook and yarn to create fabric. It's a versatile craft that can be used to make a wide range of items such as clothing, hats, scarves, sweaters and dresses, accessories, bag wallets and phone cases, home decor, blankets, pillow covers and coasters, kids' toys, stuffed animals and dolls, granny squares, kaftans and throws. Crochet has many benefits including relaxation and stress relief, creative expression and self-expression, portability, easy to take with you on the go, customization, choose your own yarn, pick your favorite color and pattern, cost effective, make your own item instead of buying them. Some common crochet stitches include chain stitch, single crochet, half double crochet and treble crochet. So you know very well, it's a wonderful hobby. It's a great way to create something with your own hands, relax and express your creativity. Here are some fun facts about crochet. Crochet is a French word meaning hook. The first known evidence of crochet dates back to 1824 in South America. Crochet was originally used to make clothing accessories and home decor items. The most common crochet hook materials are aluminium, steel, and wood. Crochet has many health benefits, including reducing stress, improving fine motor skills, and promoting relaxation. The world's largest crochet hook was over 6 feet tall and 2 inches wide. It's a popular hobby worldwide and millions of people are love these beautiful articles. Whether you are the beginner or an experienced crocheter, there's always something new to learn and create. Happy cooking! So viewer, I hope you all are understand with the benefits of crochet dresses and with the main question is crochet. What is the crochet? So I define with you. I hope you all are understand. One more time, thank you viewers for watching my previous videos and be support me like this forever. I am very happy to see this. My all the YouTube community are very sportive and very kind. Be support me like this forever viewers. Thank you friends for watching this video. For those people who searching beautiful and outclass collection. Viewer, if you all love these articles and if you want more design and more ideas, so like my video, subscribe my channel and please don't forget to press the bell icon for new and latest update. Viewers, when you press the bell icon, you receive the notification of my recently uploading videos. Be connected with me friends and remember me in your precious prayers. Okay viewers, see you soon. Bye bye.